Kilala ang iFrogz as an affordable brand with sulit quality. Pero ang tanong, pasado ba sa standards mo ang AirTime Vibe? Let's find out! What's up guys? It's your techtuBer! Kamusta naman kayo? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. And today, I'm super hyped kasi we're gonna be talking about something very close to my heart kasi related siya sa music. And it's none other than iFrogz Airtime Vibe. It's actually one of the gadgets we got from our friends at Digital Walker. And your tech bro Cholo mentioned it already sa video niya. For this video naman, we're gonna dive deeper. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, talk about its key specs, and then talk about yung personal opinions and experience ko. So first, what are the awesome things inside the box? The box has a matte finish and only the images of the headphones are glossy, which makes it really pop. Proud rin sila to show off its key specs, which we will talk about in a bit. Inside the box is a quick start guide, a carry pouch. I love the material, it feels really premium and thick. A micro USB charging cable. Sad na hindi USB-C, but it's not a deal breaker for me. An auxiliary cable, in case you want to connect it old school style to your devices. And of course, the headphones. Just a quick tour of our iFrogz Airtime Vibe. Our unit is in a black matte finish, mostly plastic rin siya, so it's very light. Yung only detail ay ang silver iFrogz logo sa magkabilang ear cups. Very classy and minimalistic. Meron ding generous amount of padding on both ear cups at sa ilalim ng metal headband. Naro-rotate din ang ear cups, which helps sa fit and for storage. Ang controls naman ay nasa right ear cup lahat. Merong ANC or active noise cancelling switch sa front side. At sa back side naman ay ang power at volume controls. Sa baba naman ay ang micro USB port for charging, ang 3.5mm jack at ang built-in mic. Ngayon naman, let's talk about my personal experience and opinions. First, it's very easy to use. Just click the power button, look for iFrogz Airtime Vibe, and voila! Good to go! The buttons are easy to use rin. For the power button, long press to turn it on or off, double click naman for voice control like Siri and Android, at quick press to play, pause, answer a call, and end call. For the plus button, quick press for volume up, at long press para mag-next song. At for the minus button, quick press for volume down, at long press for previous song. Next, I really love na it's so versatile. It allows you to switch the ANC on or off with just a click. And it also allows you to plug it in with the auxiliary cable in case battery runs out. Next, may slight bias ako sa headphones over buds. I don't know if ako lang ito, but mas na-appreciate ko yung sound quality in general. I guess it's because of the sound isolation you get from over-ear headphones. Another thing is the size. I know some people prefer the buds kasi maliit, but I always have this fear na mawawala ko sila. And I guess since I spend most of my time at home, okay lang sa akin na bulky siya. And of course, the comfort. Isa rin sa bragging rights ng iFrogz Airtime Vibe yung comfort. Kasi really, it's so soft. In fact, let's be real, it's so soft na I'm worried baka masira agad. But I'll update you guys in a few months kung kamusta siya. If I can keep it. Joke lang. Next is of course, how it does sa mga stuff that I really use it for. For online meetings like Zoom, Teams, Discord, it works. May slight lag lang like how it usually does pag Bluetooth, but that can be fixed by using the auxiliary cable. I also tried using it to record a song and it works well. The mic lang syempre is not recording quality, so I suggest you use a separate mic for it.
Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I could be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone.
And now for the most important part, kamusta ang audio quality? So I listened to some K-pop songs, some old school rock emo songs, indie songs, pop songs, even hip-hop and rap, yo! And of course, my favorite Broadway songs. And yeah, masyado ako nag-enjoy. So smash like if music lover din kayo. Maganda ang bass sounds niya. Yung highs naman ay decent na rin pero don't expect too much sa mids. Yung mga different instruments di masyadong clear compared to other earphones with a more balanced soundstage. Volume ay typical of what to expect for budget headphones. Di naman nakakabingi, sakto lang if you really wanna get lost in a song. Rinig rin ang difference of ANC on and off. Perfect siya if you want to drown out noise kunwari galing sa electric fan or aircon. And if you want to save on battery life, yung cushions niya actually provide na rin passive noise cancellation. To be real lang, it's not great compared to other more premium brands in terms of ANC, but it's good enough for everyday use. And all that for 4,990 pesos. Available siya sa shops ng Digital Walker, which I will put sa description box. Overall, I think it's perfect if you want to level up your workstation at home para magmukha kang mas legit sa mga online meetings mo or online classes. But really, if you're like me na super daming meetings the whole day, it's really super comfy. And even though the mic is not recommended for recording, okay na siya for making calls. And of course, perfect rin siya if you want a sanity break and want to go sound tripping. Kayo, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And I actually also read all the comments, so if meron kayong mga song suggestions perfect for sound tripping, let me know. I'd love to listen to them. And that's it for today! Maraming salamat for staying all the way to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified pag meron kaming mga bagong videos. We'd also like to invite you to visit our website, unbox.ph, our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Lazada. And don't forget to tell your friends rin to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #sub2unbox. Because once we hit 250,000 subscribers, mamimigay kami ng phone. Woohoo! And just a special shout out to Project 721 for this TECHMOB shirt. If you want to grab your own, I will link it in the description box below. Once again, this has been your TechtuBer. Signing off. Take care always, guys. God bless you all. Sarang hey!